I'm making my cheesy potatoes. I'll warm them up with onion for breakfast, and my gosh, they're like the Cracker Barrel ones. The hash brown, shredded hash brown casserole, whatever y'all want to call it. I call it cheesy potatoes. So, we're going to get here into another onion. I've been using a lot of onion lately. It's been making me cry. So I'm going to cut this up good. I'm going to flop some butter in this pan, and I just do probably half of a stick, and then I can always add as I go. Okay, that butter's cooked down enough. Now we're gonna add onion. And you can do more onion than that if you want, but I'm not doing as many cheesy potatoes in here. We're gonna let this cook down a minute. Okay, so the onions have cooked down enough because we're gonna cook more. I got my leftover cheesy potato hash brown casserole from yesterday. And I'm gonna put most of it in here, not all of it. You should just do all of it. This tastes just like Cracker Barrels. Okay, I'll stir this around for a few more minutes and let it cook.